Thanks. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the new app and also how the customers that you refer can apply the discount link so we can know that they came through you. So as you can see here now, as we're a public app, we'll be able to find our app on the App Store, and we will just click Install App and also start free trial. And this will create our account in customly. So as you can see now, it's creating my account. And here I go. I start seeing this introduction, right? And if I click get started, what I'll see is that I'll be able to select the type of product that I want to personalize. So if, for example, I'll click on the canvas, what Customly would do is create the templates that are related to that canvas, and also it would create the product on Shopify and connect it all together. So let's wait for this and see how it works. It would take a while to create a template, and now if I click here, it would take me to my Shopify store where I can see how the product works. This is all created automatically by our software, so the client can see the value in a product created right away. Then we will see, these videos that show how you can create products according to the selection you made. So it's a step-by-step tutorial on how that product was created. So how the customer can apply the discount code so we can understand that it came for you. So it's very simple. Once that you're logged into their account, they have to copy and paste this link. So this link, they hit enter, and that's it. Now we will register that the particular client that was active on this session applied the discount code, so we will understand that it came for you. That's pretty much how it works. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.